The YouTube creator tag. Yep, hashtag I'm a creator. So I'm going to answer those 6 questions while I fold my laundry. So let's get this LaundroChat started. Welcome to This and That with Denise Jordan. I teach women how to make wise home health and beauty decisions so there's less chaos in their homes, they live healthier lives, and they feel beautiful from the inside out. And today, I'm just sharing how much of a YouTube creator I am. I am answering the 6 questions that are put to me by Deneen, put to me and to other YouTube creators about our YouTube channel. And the whole purpose was so that if someone is visiting your channel for the first time, they will get to know. The whole purpose was if someone was visiting your channel for the very first time, it's a way to get to know them. So I thought this is a good time for me to do this tag. In the background, you hear my washer and my dryer going. I have been doing laundry all day. And typically I don't do laundry all day. I just usually do 1 load a day, sometimes 2. But my husband had been away on a fishing trip and he brought back bunches and bunches of stinky, dirty clothes. And then I was away for a little bit myself and I brought back some dirty clothes. And then when I was home, since he was gone, I decided to let it all hang loose. And I just didn't follow my normal routine. So now I've got laundry up the wazoo to take care of. So I thought, let's get it done. And we'll do this LaundroChat with this YouTube creator tag. So thank you, Deneen, for hosting this challenge. It gives me something to do while I'm folding my laundry. So the first question is this. How did you decide on your YouTube channel name? Well, I decided on my YouTube channel name because I wanted to talk about more than just makeup. I just felt like I wanted to talk about a little bit of this and a little bit of that. So after a lot of thought and research, I came up with This and That with Denise Jordan. And I wanted to have my name in the title, not realizing when I picked This and That with Denise Jordan, what a long tag or a long title that was. But that's what I have and that's where I'm at. Number 2, what is your channel all about? My channel is a lifestyle channel. It is about cleaning, cooking, laundry, planning, health, and beauty. So like I said, a little bit of this and a little bit of that. I talk about a lot of different things. I like to sneak in the health topics when I can because most people really don't want to hear a lot about health stuff. But if you sneak it in on them, they're willing to take a listen. So that's what my channel's about. Cooking, cleaning, laundry, planning, health, and beauty. Question number 3, what equipment do you use to make your YouTube videos? I have a Canon T3i, that's my primary camera, and with that I use a Rode mic that I have on top of the camera with my tripod. I also have a Canon Mark 7, a Canon G Mark 7, which I use for vlogging. It's small enough to fit in my purse, but it's a powerful little baby. I mean, it really takes good vlogs, so it's a great little camera. I use that. I have ordered a Diva light, but in the meantime, I am using the Cowboy Studios setup, which is 3 umbrella lights. But I've ordered the Diva ring light to come, and it's on back order, so I'm still waiting for it to get here. I've got a couple of different backdrops, but I don't use them very often. The one backdrop which I ordered, which I just love, it's got like bricks and kind of a dark green and pink in color, very urban looking, but it's kind of dark, so I don't use it very often. I mostly just videotape right here in the kitchen, which is where I spend most of my time. Let's see. How long have you been a YouTube creator? I've been a YouTube creator for about 4 years, and I really enjoy it. Are you on any other social media? Well, yes and no. I'm on Facebook. I have an Instagram account, which I haven't done much with. I try to remember to do Instagram, but it just seems like I can never keep up with it. If I can get my YouTube videos edited and uploaded, I'm doing good. And then post them on Facebook, I'm doing great. Instagram, I mostly forget. I do also have a Twitter account, and I am posting to Twitter to let people know if there's a new video up. There's one of the metrics that's on the YouTube checklist, and it asks about Twitter, so it kind of forces me to go ahead and hit that Twitter button and make that post, or tweet I should say. And do you have any other channels here on YouTube? I do. I have a channel called Makeup on Aisle 64, but I haven't put anything new on it in the last 2 years. Not since the last year. Not since I've been focusing primarily on this and that with Denise Jordan. The Makeup on Aisle 64 is about makeup, as it says, and particularly makeup for the mature woman, but I would do a lot of product reviews, eyeshadow, foundations, moisturizers, all that kind of thing. And then I decided I wanted to do more than just makeup, so that's why I started this and that with Denise Jordan. So tell me in the comment section below if you think I should go back to this Makeup on Aisle 64 and continue to do makeup videos there, as well as the things that I like to do here on This and That with Denise Jordan. And I guess one of the things I forgot to say is, like, right now it's the gardening season, so I'm putting lots of videos about gardening on my channel. So it depends upon what time of the year that it is as to maybe what you'll see. When it's close to holiday time, you'll see things in particular related to the holidays. And who knows, you might even see something about my orthodontic visits. I had to go to the orthodontist today, and they adjusted my retainers, and I'm supposed to wear them more than I've been. So I've got them in now, so if it sounds like, if I sound like Snagglepuss, that's why, because I've got my retainers in. I usually do videos without them, but I thought, well, since today is the day that I was at the orthodontist, and he wants me to wear them more, I would try a video with them in. So tell me your thoughts. What do you think? Take them out before I shoot, or will it be okay? Inquiring minds want to know. So that is it for this load of clothing. I'm going to get them upstairs, get them put away. So now here's my question for you. Well, I've already asked you a couple of questions. One was about whether or not I should continue to do makeup videos on Makeup on Aisle 64, and whether or not I sound like Snagglepuss. Let me know. And just so you know, I've raised 3 children. I've managed a home for more than 45 years, and I'm a nurse by profession. So if you want to know more about cooking, cleaning, laundry, planning, and health and beauty, and a little bit about gardening, subscribe. I'd love to have you as a member of the TNT community. In the meantime, this is Denise Jordan saying goodbye. I will see you in the next video.